Hello dear students, this video is for the students of class 12 Commerce and Arts English medium. My dear students, in this video we're gonna see the format of the board examination for the year 2020-21. We also gonna see the model paper given by Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Board Gandhinagar for the subject English language. Remember, first language. The subject code for the English language is 006 for the students of class 12. So dear students, let's go and see the format of the English paper. You know that the total time duration for your exam is 3 hours and the weightage, the total marks 100. So dear students, let's go section wise. The first section A, prose flamingo. So my dear students, first you will have comprehension passage where you will have the question and the answers in the multiple choice question. The weightage of this question is 5 marks. Second, you will have fill in the blanks where you will get the vocabulary based, where you will get the options in the bracket. You will have to select the appropriate word from that bracket and write the answer. The weightage of this question is 5 marks. So 10 marks. Next you have textual question answers from the flamingo prose where you have to attempt 5 question out of 7 and the weightage of this question is 15 marks. Means each question carries 3 marks. 5 3s are 15. So dear students, section A is of 25 marks. So my dear students, this is really very important section. So my dear students, please work hard for the section A. Let's go on section B. Section B is of poetry flamingo textbook where the first question is comprehension of stanza where you will get the poem and there will be VSA stands for very short answer type of questions you will have. You will have the scene poem from the flamingo और उसके नीचे उसके short questions होंगे and the question carries 3 marks. Next you have figure of speech and that's in multiple choice question, 4 marks where you will have the 4 figure of speech and you have to choose the right answer. So you will be given ABCD. So please get thorough in the figure of speech dear students. This question can give you 4 out of 4 marks. Let's go for the last question of section B, that is textual question. Poems question answers where you have to attempt 4 out of 6 questions and this question carries 8 marks. Your section B is of 15 marks. Let's go with section C, grammar. Very important section my dear students, where you will get first rectification of error. The weightage of this question is 4 marks. Then you have idioms and phrases from the textbook only. So these idioms and phrases carries 4 marks where the question will be given and you have to select an appropriate idiom and phrases from the given options and you have to rewrite that sentence. So very nice question. Next you have direct and indirect speech paragraph. The question carries 4 marks. This question is also very nice. You just need the practice. Last, do as directed MCQ. My dear students, last year this question where the MCQ choice was not given here, but this time because of the COVID-19 this question has turned into objective type. So where you will be given 8 questions and the answer of those question will be in multiple choice question where you have to select the right answer. So this is going to be very easy and now you can get 8 out of 8 marks if you are thorough in the grammar part. Your section C carries 20 marks. So dear students, after your section A, section C carries more marks. So these are the 3 sections. Here we go on the next section. Dear students, section D, which is of reading and writing, where the first question is article writing. Dear students, remember compulsory question. I hope you have studied article writing and the question carries 5 marks. Next you have advertisement. I hope you have studied advertisement, and this question also carries 5 marks. Next, in section D you have data interpretation, which is also known as chart interpretation. Pie chart, okay, bar chart, and all those, you have to interpret those data, and the weightage of this question is 5 marks. Next you have email writing. The email writing can be formal or informal, and the weightage of this question is 5 marks. So section D carries 20 marks. Section E is of writing, where the first question is report writing. So dear students, this is also your compulsory question, and the weightage is 5 marks. Next you have job application, weightage 7 marks. I hope you have learned by this time the application writing. And next, essay or speech writing, where you get the choice. Either you can select essay or speech writing, and the weightage of this question is 8 marks. So this is your format of the board examination of 2020 and 21. So now let's go with one sample paper given by the Gujarat government. So here we go. So dear students, standard 12th general stream, this is how your board paper will be for the year 2020-21. Subject English first language, code number is 006, sample paper. So first, section A, here we go. Just read along with me, dear students. Read the passage following and select the appropriate answer. Here you will have the multiple choice questions where you have to select the appropriate answer. So let's go. Next question, you have fill in the blanks with appropriate option given in the brackets. Write only answers. So this is from 6 to 15 number. The weightage of this question is 5 marks. So see here, you can see in the bracket, my dear students, all the vocabularies are given and where you have to select the appropriate one. Remember, in this question you have to write only answer. Get this. Next you have answer the following question in about 6 to 7 sentences each. Any 5. 5 threes are 15. So you have to write any 5. Total 7 questions are given and you have to select any 5. Remember, when you attempt this question, please give the appropriate number. Answer 17, answer 18, because you are going to write any 5, dear students. Let's go on section B. Section B, read the following words and answer the question. Weightage 3 marks, dear students. This is the scene poetry where you have the very short answer, VSA. 23, 24 and 25. These questions answers are very short. Then choose the correct figure of speech from the options given below, where you will have the multiple choice question. You have to select the right answer. In this question also you have to write directly answer. You need not to copy the question, my dear students. Next is answer the following question in 4 to 5 sentences each. Any 4. 4 twos are 8. So remember, these are 6 questions where you have to write any 4. These are the questions of poetry of the textbook Flamingo. Remember, one more time I am telling you that when you attempt this question, give the number properly. Answer 30, answer 32, answer 34, so that the one who is going to check your paper should not face any problem. So that's your section B. Here we go on section C, that is your grammar section, dear students. The first question is rectification of error 36, 37, 38, 39. Remember, dear students, when you write in the exam, you do not have to write this part. You only have to write this much. Error and correction. Don't copy the question, only the error and correction, and please give the number properly. Understood? The weightage of this question is 4 marks. Next we have rewrite the sentence using correct meaning of the given phrases, idioms. Weightage 4 marks. So here you have the sentence and you get in the bracket these idioms and phrases. You have to select the appropriate one. In this question, dear students, you have to rewrite the full sentence. Then and then only you will be liable to get 1 mark for the right answer. Let's go on the next question, that is your indirect speech. Weightage of this question is 4 marks, where you get a passage and you need to convert it into indirect narration, okay, indirect speech. So the passage you get from the textbook only. Next question is do as directed, weightage 8 marks. This time there is a change in this question where you get the multiple choice question. So here, dear students, you only have to write the answer. Answer 45, answer 46, active passive voice, okay, answer 47, negative sentence, answer 48, okay, interrogative, 49, positive, 50, exclamatory sentence, 51, question tag. So question number 52, that is correct removal of 2 sentences. Now section D, that is your reading and writing skill, where the question number 53 is article writing. The weightage of this question is 5 marks, and this is your article, make hay while the sun shines. Next, question number 54, that is your draft and advertisement for the promotion. Weightage 5 marks. Dear students, please remember you do not have the choice in these questions. 55, that is your chart interpretation, 6 to 7 sentence, weightage 5 marks. And this is your pie chart where you have to write the answer in the points, dear students, and make sure that you write 1 or 2 points extra. Next, question number 56, that is your email writing, weightage 5 marks. And last, in email writing you get the choice 56, you will have one formal and the other one is informal. Write an email to your parents. So dear students, the choice is yours. The last section, E. So 57 question, that is report writing, weightage 5 marks. 58 question, that is your apply for the post of manager with your resume, weightage 7 marks. Dear students, this is very important question, job application. Last 59, essay. If you don't want to write essay, then you get the choice where you can even attempt speech writing. So choice is your whether to go with essay or speech, and the weightage of this question 8 marks. आई होप डियर स्टूडेंट्स कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल था. अगर ये वीडियो सचमुच आपके लिए हेल्पफुल था तो सो आई जस्ट वांट टू रिक्वेस्ट यू दैट प्लीज़ शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ ऑल योर क्लासमेट्स एंड योर फ्रेंड्स स्टडिंग इन द डिफरेंट स्कूल in 12th commerce and 12th arts. So friends, that's it for the day. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Jai Hind.